Hi Danielle, this is Brittany here. I promised Linda with a video for you guys, for you and your company. And you guys are probably asking why I'm sending this video. Well, I have realized a lot of small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers that they don't have time to learn how to get more customers. So the only thing stopping them a lot of the time is knowing who is an expert and who is not. So some people will take this information that I provide to you and do it themselves. And that's totally cool, whichever way you decide to go with it. This is just free education for you. And some people decide to come to me. This is just an educational video to help you guys out and hopefully get you guys on an attack plan to get some more site traffic. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And the first thing I'm going to go over is the content on your homepage for Mastercraft Flooring. So right now I'm looking for your content, number of words that you have on your homepage, and I don't see any on your homepage. And it's beautiful and really simple, that's great, but Google loves content. Content is king and it gives you authority according to Google. So we recommend around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. And keywords are best when they are buyer intent. So for example, I actually searched for floor services, Evans, Georgia. This keyword is service specific and also location specific. I am a consumer looking for floor services in Evans, Georgia. This is a great example of a buyer intent keyword, and you definitely want these types of keywords throughout the content of your website. So looking here on the first result is a Google Map Pack in this section, and 30% of consumers will choose one of these top businesses here to perform their service. And below that is the organic search results, and I was looking for a local company in Evans, Georgia, and oftentimes what comes up is directories like Angie and Yelp. That's totally normal. We also have Home Advisor. But your first competition that shows up first on the Google search results is Kirkland's Flooring for that area that you guys have in Evans, Georgia, for one of your areas. So I went ahead and I popped up their website here. Looking at their content, they don't have the recommended amount, but they do have more. I would say they probably have around 100 or 150 words on their homepage. And like I said, you definitely do want 1,500 to 2,000 words with those keywords there. So I went ahead and I put in your competition in something I like to use. It's called Ahrefs, and this is a page program I use to research websites. So this is here, your competition that is I have up, and I also have you guys up on another tab as well. But I first want to go over the DR rating and the UR rating. So the DR rating is a power rating by Google, and the UR rating is a trust rating, and these things are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website that point to you, and it's essentially a popularity contest. So looking at what they have 191 referring domains pointing to 1.1K or 1,100 backlinks. It is worth noting, however, that not all links are created equal, so the best links that you want to have are those that are more of quality, those that are relevant to your industry, your services, and that are from local websites. You definitely want backlinks that are more quality. Looking at your website, you guys have 25 referring domains pointing to 53 backlinks. So I definitely recommend getting a lot more backlinks to your website. Once again, focusing on that quality, those really strong websites to raise up your ratings here so you guys can start ranking in Google. Alright, so we've gone over content, we've gone over backlinks. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack here, which I showed you at the top of our search result. And this is really important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise. Some of the ones actually popped up here in our search result there. There's hundreds of others as well, and the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you will rank above them. So we've gone over 3 things. We've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And as a last point of information, you guys right now are ranking for 26 keywords, and your competitor is ranking for 2.4K. Now, I was looking at these. A lot of these are actually not buyer intent keywords, but you definitely do want a lot more buyer intent keywords throughout your content so people can find you and you can start ranking on Google. And looking at the traffic that they have, they're bringing in 710 people to their website per month because they're ranking in that spot on Google. And you guys are bringing in 89 traffic. So you can definitely increase your traffic by doing those 3 things, increasing your content with those awesome buyer intent keywords, increasing your backlinks that are quality, good ones, and also increasing the amount of citations that you guys show up for. Alright, so I just wanted to show this to you guys to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. I hope it was helpful. I would appreciate any feedback that you have. And thank you for allowing me to serve you, and I hope you have a great day.